What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RT. Today I got my Traxxas E Revo 2.0 Team Corally SHOGUN. This is not really a comparison video. I just want to see how they drive, because this is the wheelbase is a little longer on the no, they're about the same size wheelbase, but the E Revo got wider tires. To me they drive about the same, but I just want to give it a little, up front personal test to see how they feel. Let's get into it. First up, the SHOGUN 6S. At first I didn't like it because of the tires. I'm starting to like this little truggy. Not bad. This ain't no flip though, I give it that much. But this schoolyard got a lot of bumps. I really ain't want to get it dirty. This thing got great handling. Whoa! Yeah, that takes skill right there. Up there. And this thing need a wheelie bar. Whoa! Yeah, this thing is a beast, guys. Got that Gen 6 battery in there though. That thing is kicking. Yo, I just tore that body up. Yo, why did I break in midair? Whoa. Yeah, this thing is a monster. Let me pull out the E-Revo. Be right back. All right, now I got the E-Revo out. Honest with y'all, I just put the factory tires back on there. I never drove it with the factory tires, so. Whoa. Guess I ain't put the body on right. Yo, this thing a beast though. Suspension plays a good part in this being stable. Of course, you know my famous side will be. Damn. Yo, I saved that little jump. Saved it on that little jump. Surprised I did. Yeah, this John did not break. The thing about the E-Revo, this is really an off-road basher. It's not really made for on-road. That's why I'm going all out of control. that suspension. All in all, see if I can pull off this side, baby. All right, let me stop the side wheelie stuff. Oh shit. I seen it at the last minute. I know I had to break something on that one. Oh, well, she's still intact. Let's see if I broke her arm. Didn't break no arms. I'm about to bust this battery, I know that much. Both batteries popped out. Broke the tray. Real minor, it ain't nothing. All right, let me stop this run real quick, because I don't want to run it no more. I don't feel like it's cold. I might break something. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and I'm out.